Welcome. In front of me is a LENOVO Tab E7, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pop off the little cover right here with the Lenovo. This kind of comes off like this. It is held by some rubber. And from here, not sure if you can see it, but there is a little tray. So using your fingernail, you just kind of want to drag it out. Now from here, flip it over and you will have space for SIM card and SD card. So place them accordingly, like so. Now it looks like the SD card will hold, but the SIM card will not. So let's place it once more. So inserting back into the device, I would advise you just to flip the device upside down and then simply slide it back in. There we go. And as you can see, it automatically starts functioning. So there's the pin for the SIM card. So SIM card is working, and I can see that SD card is working as well, which you can see right here. So that is how you would insert your SIM and SD card into this device. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.